Hello, English learners. Welcome back to English Fun. In today's video, we're going to explore 50 simple and useful English questions and answers, all happening right here in the kitchen. Whether you're learning English or just want to improve your everyday conversation skills, this video will help you speak more confidently in real-life situations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more useful English lessons every week.
Without further ado, let's jump right in.
Mealtime and daily routine.
What's for breakfast?
Scrambled eggs and toast.
Are you making coffee?
Yes, would you like some?
Do you want tea or juice?
I'll take juice, please.
What time is dinner?
Around 7 p.m.
Can I set the table?
Yes, please do.
Where are the plates?
In the top cupboard.
Do we have any snacks?
Yes, there are some in the pantry.
What's for lunch today?
Grilled cheese sandwiches.
Can I help serve the food?
Of course, thank you.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, I'd love some cake.
Cleaning and safety.
Did you wash the dishes?
Yes, they're drying now.
Where is the dish soap?
Next to the sink.
Can you wipe the counter?
Sure, I'll do it now.
Is the stove off?
Yes, I turned it off.
Where is the trash bin?
Under the sink.
Do you recycle plastic here?
Yes, we have a bin for that.
Should I clean the fridge?
Yes, it smells bad.
Is this sponge clean?
No, use a new one.
Did you sweep the floor?
Not yet, I'll do it after dinner.
Kitchen utensils and tools.
What is this?
That's a spatula.
Do we have a whisk?
Yes, it's in the top drawer.
Where is the can opener?
It's next to the stove.
What do you use a peeler for?
I use it to peel vegetables.
Is this a grater?
Yes, it's used for grating cheese or carrots.
Do we need a rolling pin?
Yes, for rolling out dough.
Where's the cutting board?
It's under the sink.
Can you pass me the tongs?
Sure, here they are.
What is a ladle used for?
It's used to serve soup or stew.
Is this knife sharp?
No, it needs to be sharpened.
Food and ingredients.
Do we have eggs?
Yes, they're in the fridge.
Where's the sugar?
It's in the cabinet on the right.
Are these tomatoes fresh?
Yes, I bought them today.
Can I use honey instead of sugar?
Yes, that's a healthier option.
Is this milk still good?
Check the expiration date.
Do you want garlic in this dish?
Yes, please add some.